Hey everybody, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we have a very interesting fish, the Senegal bichir, also known as the dinosaur bichir, gray bichir, or dragonfish, which is a primitive fish native to various freshwater habitats across Africa, particularly the Nile and other river systems in West and Central Africa. It is one of the oldest living species with origins dating back over 100 million years. Its unique appearance and hardy nature have made it a popular choice among aquarists looking for a more exotic and prehistoric-looking fish for their tanks. One fascinating fact about the Senegal bichir is that it has the ability to breathe air using a specialized lung-like structure. This allows it to survive in low oxygen environments and even spend short periods out of the water, provided it remains moist. This adaptation has contributed to its survival for millions of years. Senegal bichirs have a long, slender body covered with thick, protective scales that give them a slightly armored appearance. They have a unique, snake-like shape with dorsal finlets running along their back, resembling the spines of a dinosaur. Typically, they are grayish to olive in color with a subtle marbling pattern. They can grow up to 14-18 inches in length, although they often remain smaller in captivity. Senegal bichirs are found throughout the freshwater bodies of Africa, including rivers, lakes, and swamps. They prefer slow-moving or still waters with plenty of vegetation and hiding spots. In the wild, they are nocturnal hunters, often lurking near the bottom to ambush their prey. These fish are primarily nocturnal and tend to be shy during the day. Senegal bichirs are bottom dwellers, often seen resting on the substrate or hiding in caves and under plants. However, they become more active at night when they hunt. Their diet in captivity should mimic their natural preferences, consisting of carnivorous options like live or frozen foods such as bloodworms, brine shrimp, small fish, and shrimp. They can also be trained to accept high-quality sinking pellets. A single Senegal bichir should be housed in a tank of at least 55 gallons, with more space required for multiple individuals, or if kept with tank mates. The tank should have a soft, sandy substrate, plenty of hiding places such as caves, driftwoods, and plants, and a tightly fitted lid, as these fish are known to escape from open aquariums. The water should be kept at temperatures between 75 degrees and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pH range of 6.5 to 7.5. When choosing tank mates, it's important to keep in mind that Senegal bichirs are opportunistic predators. Smaller fish may be seen as food, so suitable companions include larger, peaceful, or semi-aggressive species that occupy different areas of the tank, such as other large catfish, cichlids, and peaceful species like ballet shark. Additionally, keep a tight lid on the tank, as their ability to breathe air means they can survive out of the water long enough to escape, leading to potential accidents. That's our introduction to the Senegal bichir. With their dinosaur-like looks and fascinating behavior, they make a captivating addition to the right aquarium setup. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts or experiences with Senegal bichirs in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy fish keeping.